What if the next billion-dollar company didn't have employees? No offices, no departments, just one person. One person and artificial intelligence working together at a scale that was impossible just a few years ago. It sounds like science fiction, but the foundations are already being built right now across the world. Entrepreneurs are using AI to write content, build products, analyze markets, automate operations, and serve customers around the clock. For decades, growing a company meant hiring more people, more managers, more departments, more complexity. Success was measured by team size, office space, and organizational charts. Bigger meant better. But a new model is emerging, one where intelligence itself becomes infinitely scalable. Instead of hiring another employee, you deploy another AI system. Instead of building a larger team, you build a smarter workflow. For the first time in history, a single individual can access capabilities that once belonged only to large corporations. The result is something remarkable. A person operating with the productive power of an entire organization. And when millions of people gain access to these tools, competition changes forever. More products enter the market. More ideas become reality faster than ever before. Which means the advantage is no longer access to technology. Everyone will have access. The real advantage becomes vision, creativity, decision making, and knowing how to direct intelligent systems toward meaningful goals. Imagine a company generating billions in value, serving customers across the globe, operating 24 hours a day, and being directed by a single founder. That future may sound unbelievable today, but so did smartphones, so did social media, and so did artificial intelligence itself. The first one-person billion-dollar company is coming. The technology is here, and the only question left is, will you watch it happen or will you help build it? This is the IRA report, where we decode the future before it arrives. Subscribe now.